MWC Las Vegas saw the launch of the first ever Open Gateway DevCon. A packed audience heard from the ecosystem, telcos, cloud providers and big tech, all coming together to work on a common strategy and hear progress on use cases. GSMA Director General Matt Granrid opened the event, setting out how GSMA Open Gateway can move the industry to a better place, where closer relationships with developers are critical. Speakers from across the telco and big tech ecosystem described collaborative use cases.
For us at the GSMA, this is the next revolution of communications. If we think about decentralized networks, voice is a very decentralized network. Part of these DevCons is for us to listen to developers as well. So we want to make this as interactive as possible in what we want to take forward.
Platinum sponsor Nokia demonstrated a live concert streamed over a 5G network, offering a remote viewing immersive experience. Viewers had unprecedented access, witnessing the concert from multiple locations, including the audience and the stage in real time. Head of Portfolio and Architecture at Nokia, Mikko Java, showcased a collaborative use case with Deutsche Telekom, utilising the Quality of Service on Demand API through a camera based on their network. This enabled the remote operation of drones for emergency services, providing vital situational awareness through infrared cameras to support emergency response efforts.
The really interesting and great thing in this collaboration was that this drone was fully operated from Belgium. And that operation was done supported by programmable network. We programmed that through an application that connected through our platform into the network and then program high quality of service for that drone. So that was supporting the remote control and then the remote telemetry and video from the drone coming up.
He was joined on stage by Erin Rainey, Senior Director of Technology at T-Mobile, highlighting the collaborative spirit driving the industry forward. In a fireside chat with the GSMA and KDDI, addressing the pivotal question of commercialization, Cloud Arpin, IoT Senior Product Manager at Bell Canada, detailed the win-win scenario for developers and operators, ensuring a mutually beneficial landscape.
Basically, we work together to make sure to make it seamless for the user, the developer ultimately, to align on the API. So it's all about the customer experience.
In the midst of the evolving API landscape, expectations have soared, leading stakeholders to wonder, is this a game changer or just a marginal step? Dharmik Mehta, Principal Product Manager for 5G Services at T-Mobile US, offered his insightful perspective on this burning question.
Capability will be monetized in a different way. Some of the capabilities like location or SIM swap kind of fraud prevention type of capabilities might be monetized on the number of transactions. Quality on demand might be monetized on the usage basis, whereas slicing might be more of a flat monthly model. Again, I'm making some assumptions over here, and things might pan out differently and we might end up monetizing them differently, but that's how we are looking at it right now.
Oscar Leroux, Go-to-Market Director for Open Gateway at Telefonica, shared the genesis of their developer hub. Alongside Microsoft, he provided a deep understanding of the ecosystem, emphasizing the myriad benefits it offers to developers, transcending technology into a collaborative ethos that fuels innovation. In the afternoon, a series of how-to workshops brought some of the concepts discussed to life for developers. From innovating in Telefonica's Developer Hub to discussing the APIs in depth with Nokia and creating developer-friendly network APIs with Verizon. Open Gateway DevCon 2023 was a revelation, showcasing not just technology, but the power of collaboration and innovation. From immersive live concerts to drone-operated emergency services, we witnessed the future unfold before our eyes.